This is the POCO M5s, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. First of all, I'll go to the settings, enter the always on display and lock screen category, and expand the available sleep values to show you that by the default means of the system, the highest we can go in terms of the auto screen off value is 10 minutes. Thus, if you would like for this value to be never, we'll need to download the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, open Google Play Store, at the search bar type in Caffeine. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button. Wait for the Caffeine application to get downloaded and installed. Once the security scan has been performed, launch the app and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will essentially mean that as long as this application is active and running, so do not close it, do not terminate it, leave it to be running in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in an idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.